Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 12th 6th story from supplementary reader Vistas on the face of it. Here we go. Question number 1. Who is the author of On the Face of It? Options are Susan Hill, William Sidney, Salman Rushdie, or Chetan Bhagat. And the right answer is Susan Hill. Question number 2. What is this play featuring? Options are an old man and a small boy meeting in old man's garden, gossip of old man's woes, brave acts of a small boy. And the right option is an old man and a small boy meeting in old man's garden. Question number 3. Who is Mr. Lamb? Options are a young man, a middle-aged man, an old man, or none. And the right answer is an old man. Question number 4. What were Derry and Mr. Lamb victims of? Options are vision impairment, physical impairment, war, or none. And the right answer is physical impairment. Question number 5. Why did Mr. Lamb help Derry? Options are because both were victims of war, both were sad, both were victims of physical impairment, or because he wanted Derry to change his view of life. And the right answer is because he wanted Derry to change his view of life. Question number 6. Who is Derry? Options are Derek, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt on his face. A small boy, a boy, or a young boy. And the right answer is Derek, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt on his face. Question number 7. What unites Mr. Lamb and Derry? Options are their age, their woes, their life stories, or their physical impairment. And the correct answer is their physical impairment. Question number 8. How does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy? Options are by reading books, by chatting with people, by pulling down the ripe crab apples of his garden, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Next, question number 9. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb's garden? Options are to steal apples, to speak to Mr. Lamb, to help the old man, or to feel that place. And the right answer is to feel that place. Question number 10. How did Derry enter the garden? Options are from the front gate, from the side gate, from back gate, or by climbing the garden wall. And the right answer is by climbing the garden wall. Question number 11. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? Options are to keep an eye over his garden, to be safe, to chat with the people and the children who come there to take fruit, or none. And the right answer is to chat with the people and the children who come there to take fruit. Question number 12. Why did children call Mr. Lamb Lammy Lamb? Options are Because he stopped them from taking apples, he spoke rudely, they didn't like him, or because of his broken leg in a bomb explosion. And the right answer is because of his broken leg in a bomb explosion. Question number 13. Why didn't Mr. Lamb feel hurt by children's comments? Options are because he thought that it suits him, he loves children, he likes them, or he wants them to play in his garden. And the correct answer is because he thought that it suits him. Question number 14. What does Mr. Lamb grow in his garden? Options are cherry, peach, pomegranate, or apples. And the correct answer is apples. Next, question number 15. How did Mr. Lamb pick apples? Options are bending down, with the help of his servant, with the help of children, or using a ladder and a stick. And the right answer is using a ladder and a stick. Question number 16. How did Mr. Lamb use the apples? Options are made jam, made pickle, earned money, or he used to make jelly with them. And the right answer is he used to make jelly with them. Question number 17. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb at the end? Options are because of his wish to live a free life, he wanted apples, he wanted to play in the garden, or none. And the right answer is because of his wish to live a free life. Question number 18. Why did Derry's mother stop him to stay with Mr. Lamb? Options are because he was not well, because he would scold him, because he talked too much, or because she didn't want him to stay with a stranger. And the right option is because she didn't want him to stay with a stranger. Question number 19. Why did Derry share his fear with Mr. Lamb? Options are because he had a garden, because he was old, because he understood him and was friendly, or none. And the right answer is because he understood him and was friendly. Question number 20. How did Mr. Lamb help Derry? Options are by giving him apples, by talking to him, by helping his mother, or by giving him a positive outlook towards life. And the right answer is by giving him a positive outlook towards life. Question number 21. Why did Mr. Lamb call Derry blessed? Options are because he was young, because he had a mother, because he had friends, or because except a burnt face, he had a perfectly healthy body. And the right answer is because except a burnt face, he had a perfectly healthy body. Next, question number 22. Which story did Mr. Lamb narrate to Derry? Options are Cinderella, The Snowman, The Dwarf Man, or The Beauty and the Beast. And the right answer is The Beauty and the Beast. Question number 23. What kind of a garden did Mr. Lamb have? And the options are cherry, plum, peach, or apple garden? And the right answer is apple garden. Question number 24. Where was Mr. Lamb's house? And the options are on a tree, on the road, on a street, or inside the garden. And the right answer is inside the garden. Question number 25. How did Derry burn his face? Options are in a fire, with a gas stove, hot water, or acid burnt his face. And the right answer is acid burnt his face. Question number 26. Why, even in spite of physical disability, Mr. Lamb did not feel lonely? Options are because he was busy, because he had a garden, he had servants, or because he never let himself to be alone and keep himself busy. And the correct answer is because he never let himself to be alone and keep himself busy. Question number 27. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? Options are to let the people come in, to get fresh air, to avoid opening the door again and again, or to have fine contact with the outer world and enjoy. And the correct answer is to have fine contact with the outer world and enjoy. Question number 28. Why did Derry develop an inferiority complex? Options are he didn't have a big house, he didn't have much money, because of his burnt face, or none. And the correct option is because of his burnt face. Question number 29. Why did Derry like to be alone? Options are because of burnt face, because he couldn't bear with people's comments, because of inferiority complex, or all these. And the correct answer is all these. Question number 30. How the meeting with Mr. Lamb became a turning point for Derry? Options are he encouraged Derry to be friends with everyone and not to be bothered by their comments. He taught him to look at everything positively. He taught him to admire everything, or all these. And the correct option is all these. Question number 31. What did Derry learn from the fairy tale? Options are how to look beautiful, how to make friends, learned to love and appreciate himself, or all these. And the correct answer is all these. Question number 32. How was Mr. Lamb happy in spite of his disability? Options are because of his acceptance of it, because he was wise, because he had grown old, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 33. Why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? Options are he liked to be alone, was scared of people, because of inferiority complex as he had a burnt face, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 34. Why was Dairy startled entering the garden? Options are because of trees, because of apples, because he expected no one else but seeing Mr. Lamb, or none. And the right answer is because he expected no one else but seeing Mr. Lamb. Question number 35. What complex does Dairy suffer from? Options are superiority, Oedipus, inferiority, or all these. And the right answer is inferiority. Question number 36. Why did Mr. Lamb not have curtains in his house? And the options are it's difficult to wash, too expensive, because he wanted visitors in his house, or none. And the right answer is because he wanted visitors in his house. Question number 37. What did Mr. Lamb tell about himself? Options are he had a tin leg, still he was happy, he never mind even if children teased him, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 38. What specific things about Mr. Lamb does Dairy notice? Options are a man of firm resolution, always remains happy in spite of his deformity, had a positive outlook, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 39. In what sense was friendship between Lamb and Dairy was fruitful? Options are he gave him fruit to eat, his maturity, both were good companions, and Lamb's mature experiences and words helped Dairy to have a positive view of life, or none. And the right answer is both were good companions, and Lamb's mature experiences and words helped Dairy to have a positive view of life. Question number 40. What draws Dairy towards Lamb? Options are his appearance, his grief, his positive outlook, or all these. And the right answer is his positive outlook. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.